So I'm going to be showing you how to get and use Adobe Premiere Pro, just the basics for now. What you're going to do is you want to go to Google and go to Adobe. And what you're going to do is you're going to look for this, Adobe Creative Marketing and Document Management. When you open it, you might have to do a login, so you'll log in. Once you do, you'll have something similar to this, just different stuff. What you're going to do is you're going to go to View All Apps. And if you can't find it, you can just go to search for it, but you're going to look for something called Premiere Pro, PR. And you can do the free trial or buy it. To buy it, though, there are certain packs. They are expensive, but they are worth it because it's the best. Once you have it downloaded, you could pin it somewhere or just put it to your taskbar. Once it's on your taskbar, open it. Once you're in here, you're going to see something like this. What you're going to do is you're going to go here to New Project. This is stuff you can do learn if you want to do that, but you can also just click New Project. Once you're in here, you're going to see something similar to your downloads folder on your PC. I'm going to grab a random clip of me just playing Roblox. You might get this if you've done a few projects. Just always replace it once you save it. It may take a minute to load. But once you're in, you're going to see this screen. For now, you're going to ignore everything except for here and here. Here is where you can play your video and stuff like that. And then here is where your actual video clip will be. Now, depending on how long it is, you might want to zoom in, or you can do it like that, or like that. I like this. Now, I'm gonna skip ahead by using the JKL keys, L to fast forward, K to pause. And I'm gonna go to a certain point in the video where I want to start. So let's see. It's 9 minutes, and I don't want to have to watch this. Here's where I am. Let's see. Just wait till it starts. Here we are. Rage is always fun. We're almost there. Here. Let's say I want to just go back a tiny bit. Here. So I want to go here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do Control plus Control K, which will cut the video. When I zoom out, you'll see there's a little line here, which we'll now have two different clips. If you find that area or you don't want to even do that, go ahead. Since I did, though, I'm going to click on the first clip or the clip I don't want and press backspace. I'm going to grab this and drag it to the front, like that. Now, once you do this, what you're going to do is you're going to want to add, let's say you want to add captions. If you go up here, if you don't see text already, come here and click this, go to text. From here, you want to go down here and press Alt and click on the audio and create captions from transcript. This button here will show you'll be able to do your preferences. Like I like to have mine maximum be 10. The minimum duration in seconds we minimize to 1.2 and gaps will do that. Which will now close that and transcript and create captions. And it should take a few seconds, minutes, just depends on how long the clip is. So just like this. Yeah, by the way, this also takes a very long time, especially if it's really long. So just wait a minute because it has to figure out what word have captions. So let's see when we play through.
Hell no, bro. Okay.
Now you have captions down there. They'll play. Alrighty. Just like that. And if you want, when you drag and click, go down here, drag, and if you want, highlight all the transcripts, and if you go to effects, listen. Gosh, it's not okay. So now that we have the captions written down, if you want, you can just check to make sure they're right. Mine are so far. Now, what we're gonna do is, let's say we want to add an area where we put a transition. Like, let's find an area where I lose, such as right here. I'm about to, yeah. Okay, there, I died. So now we're gonna do Control K and find where I respawn, which trick is like here. Control K. Again, I'm gonna zoom in and find that area, delete, and then drag here. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna look for, well, we're gonna go to Window. If we don't have Essential Graphics, open it just like that. Now, if we go to Adobe, we're gonna go to, once we have that, we're going to go and look at here and find effects. In effects, we're going to see there's a bunch of different things. We're going to go down to video transitions. And let's say we want to do dissolve. No, we're going to do zoom, cross zoom. We're going to grab it and we're going to drag it and put it right there. So now when we back up, it's going to, I'm already going to have to drag it and drag it right there. So now when we play, it's not working. I'm already, which is so weird. It usually works. We're gonna grab, let's do wipe, and let's do like a band wipe. And put it right there up top. Just like that. Never mind, I figured it out. You want to put it up on top of this thing here. You don't want to put it on the audio. Gotta drag it and put it on that section. So now, okay, it'll do effect. It's transition. Now, let's see. We've figured out how to cut. We figured out how to edit. We added that. And once you have it there, now you have captions and a bunch of different effects. A transition effect, and you can do that just about in any video. I mean, I could go and make a bunch of cuts and then zoom in. I could 20 different cuts, all right there. Doesn't matter. Add a bunch of different transitions, all that. And then here in Essential Graphics, let's say we put, like, please like and subscribe or something if you're whatever. Adobe stock, all that stuff. And then there's all of that stuff. Now, once you're happy with your video or satisfied, you can go here and click export. Once it has loaded, you can do as a media file or Behance or Facebook or TikTok or Vimeo or X or YouTube, Twitter I should say. And you could choose the format, video, audio, choose whatever, however you want it. And then when you're done, you can just click export and it'll automatically do it for you. Especially if you have a YouTube channel, you just select your YouTube channel and it'll be right there, done.